All right, everyone, so this is video 4 of our Weebly tutorial. So now you have your About Me page set up. Let's go on to your portfolio page. So click on Portfolio. Your portfolio page is blank at this point, or maybe yours has some items on it already. Just like I did in the About Me page, I want to go ahead and make this a little smaller here because this is just like the header. That's just the first image that your readers are going to see. I'm going to go ahead and name this English 1 portfolio. It has a title nice and present so people know what site they're on, what page they're on. So now, the first thing you want to do is make sections. And if you don't have sections, you can go ahead and add them or leave it as it is. But sections are really helpful because it allows you to divide things up. Notice there's now one section here, one section here, and I'm going to add one more section down below. And if you notice, whenever it's outlined in blue, that's the current thing that you're working on. So if I click here in blue, now there's an outline and it tells me that I'm working there. And if you notice, when you click and add things and drag them, if it highlights in blue, that's showing you that it's going to be added there. So if I want it above that section, I'll drop it there. If I want it below, now it's highlighted blue and I'll drop it there. But I already have all my sections, so I just wanted you to realize about that highlighting blue portion. So I have my 3 sections. The first one that I want is essay, because that's the first item that you're going to be adding to your portfolio. So I'm going to click and drag a title into this first section. And my title is simply going to be essays. That's where I will be adding all of my essays. Then I'm going to click and drag to the next section, another title. This one here will be projects. We won't have anything here yet, but you will soon. And the last one, I'll go ahead and title it assignments, because we will be adding some assignments here. Assignments. If you want to make these titles a little smaller, then you can. You can even change the color, make it red. You can make this one smaller and you can make it like this orange, brown. You can make it a green, whatever you choose to make it. Now, in my essays, I want to go ahead and add my document, so my essay itself. What I'll do is I'll scroll, let's see if we can find it. The document option. So here I'll go ahead and click and drag my document. Now, I would suggest leaving that text box alone and adding the document here down below. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it down there. Now notice how essays is a title there, and this big text box for your document is now down below. If you want to make it smaller, then you can. You just want to click down here and at this, let's see if we can make this smaller. You can move it there. Now I can't quite remember how to make it smaller, so we'll just have to go ahead and check that out later on. But now you have this document page here on your site. What you'll do is you'll click on it here. This will pop up and you'll want to click Upload File. You want to click Upload a document from your computer. And in yours, it'll show different because you have your Chromebook. So let's say you go to your drive and you click on your essay and you want it to be a PDF. So you would want to click on that PDF and click Open. And so now your file should be uploading here. Mine might take a little while because that random file that I selected is really large, so it might not upload quite yet. Now please remember to turn your essay into a PDF before you upload it, or else it will say error, because Google Docs cannot be uploaded onto here. It has to be a PDF. And now, once you have your essay document here, one more thing I want you to add is a text right next to it. So I'm going to click on text. And right next to my essay here on the right, notice how it highlighted blue a little bit? Drop it down there. Now, if you notice, they're side by side. So my essay is here, which is currently uploading. Let's pretend that's my essay. You have your essay here on the left, and you have a text box here on the right. In this text box, I want you to write a little bit about your essay, describe it. So you can say, the document here is my personal narrative essay. You can even add a title up here. Personal narrative essay. That way people know what it is, and that way I can find it. I strongly suggest doing that. You can make it a specific color. So here you're describing it. This personal document is my personal narrative essay. You can say for this assignment, we had to select an event from our lives that was significant. You can say something like, please feel free to read my essay about, and then you can quickly describe what your essay is about. Maybe it's about your brother leaving to the Marines. Maybe it's about the first day that you met your step sibling, whatever it may be about. So there you have it. Now you have your essays section, you have your essay attached, and you have a little description here. Now for projects and assignments, you'll eventually be adding things here as well, but for now you can just go ahead and leave them as is. And lastly, of course, I know I haven't gone over this, so I'll go ahead and do that now. Your background. If you want to change your background, you can simply click here and edit background. Click image, or you can click color if you want to make it a color. Let's say you want to add an image, replace, and go ahead and add the URL to the video. Or maybe you have it saved on your computer. Maybe I want to use this photo of my daughter here. And obviously it's not a good enough size, so I might want to rethink that photo. But that's just an example of how you can change the background. And then if you want to change your image, then you can do that there. And you want to click save right up here to change your image. You can even change the background back here. So let's say I want to change that color to all black. Maybe I want it a light pink. And you just want to make it that and click outside to get out of there. Okay, so just a couple of ways that you can change things. And of course, at the very end, you want to click publish because that will save everything that you do. Then if you click here, it'll actually take you to your site to see what people can see. And if people are going to your site, they'll see your About Me. They can click on your portfolio. And they'll see your portfolio here. They'll see your essay, your projects, assignments. And if you choose to do the contact page, then they can even see your email to contact you. All right, so that's just a little bit of information on how to work on your portfolio page.